Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn trim, split and extend edge in a FreeCAD Sketcher Workbench. So here I am using FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least 1.0 or a higher version of FreeCAD. Now I will create a new file and create a body. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. And here I will on my origin plane, and I will select this exit plane and click on the sketch. And now I will go to the model tab and hide this origin plane. Now here I will simple create a rectangle, and let's give the dimensions. So I will make it a square by giving the 200 horizontal dimensions and 200 vertical dimensions. Now here you can do also one thing, you can make this line and this line horizontal and vertical with a equal constraint. Now to understand the trim option, which is the first options, and its shortcut is a G, T, and after that we will also learn the split and extend. So I will select a polyline tool, and I will create a zigzag profile inside of this 200 by 200 square, and let's make it overlap the sketch one by one. So this is a very zigzag profile, and let's use the trim edge. So once you click on the trim edge, you can see that on my mouse pointer trim edge icon tool is active, and now I will click on the edge which I wanted to trim. So if you see here, if I select this edge, 2 points in a green get highlighted, which means that once you click it, this will be get trimmed. So here you can see that this got trimmed, and select this one and trim it, this one, this one, this one. So you wanted to trim the multiple edges. So here a power trim option is also available. So all you have to click on the trim edge and press the control key, and move your mouse pointer. So as you move your mouse pointer, so you can see that it automatically trimming it. So this is the new feature which is added in 1.0. So you can see that instead of selecting one by line, I can save my lots of time with this power trim. So if you have used the SolidWorks, then this option is also available in that software known as a power trim, but this is a very cool feature of trim options. So here everything is got trims. Now we will now understand the split option in a FreeCAD Sketcher Workbench. So here we will take the same option of a 200 and by 200 square. So I wanted to split this edge, and so that I can give the 100 mm dimension. So here click on the split edge, and I wanted to split this vertical edge. Click on it. So you can see that a point is created, and now you can see that this point is unconstrained, and this line was a fully constrained because it was a single entity, but now I split it, so it need a dimensions. So this is the 200, so midpoint will be the 100. So here I will select dimension and provide the 100. Now I wanted to split this horizontal edge, so I will select the option of a split edge, and you can also use this shortcut G, Z, and here I will split it. So where you click, split is created. For example, if I click here, so split is get created. But now if you see that it shows in a green color, so you just drag this point anywhere, so you will see that it is unconstrained. And now here I will again select the horizontal dimension and give it 100. So this is the very simple example I have took, and I have split the edge. Now let's understand the third options, which is extend edge. So for the extend edge, we will draw the two line. One will pass through this point, and let's select same point of a split and create this. And now I wanted to extend this line to this vertical line and this line to this horizontal line. So here is option of extend edge, and shortcut is G, Q. Select on it, and now click on this vertical line and drag the mouse. So you can see that once you click on the line, it detected that you wanted to extend this line, and now where I wanted to extend is to this horizontal line, so click on it. So you can see that it got extended, and coincidence constraint is also got added. Now select this line and extend to this. So here is some conflict, so go here. So here is a redundant constraint 19. Scroll down and make it deactive. So you can see that in this tutorial we have learned the trim, split edges and extend edges. So this is the very cool feature of FreeCAD, especially with a trim tool, where you can press control key and drag your mouse, and you can trim the multiple entities at a time. So this is all about this tutorial, how to trim, split and extend edges in a FreeCAD Sketcher Workbench. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.